Hello and welcome back to yet another video of Me's Lifestyle, and this is Kshitij Bhatnagar. And I know it's been quite a while that I've uploaded a video, and that's because I was in the process of bringing my life back to the track, which has been off the roads for quite some time now. And what I mean by that is I was busy finding a new job, and I found one, and it's going pretty well, if you wanted to ask. So I'm working right now as a research analyst at a research firm, obviously. And okay, so you know what I learned from this is I left my last job before lockdown, and this lockdown period made it really almost impossible to get a new one. So, and you know all the problems that come along when you leave a job, and there were already a lot of things that were dependent on you. They tend to suffer as well. So it was my lockdown went really very suffering. So I was trying my best, and what helped me all this long was the fact that I never lost hope, and the fact that optimism was still alive in me somewhere. The fact that I trusted myself more than I wanted to quit. So I really thought of making a video on that. So the optimism is really a concept of the past, and not many people acknowledge it as much as it should be acknowledged, and not many people use it in their daily lives, in their daily tasks. And probably that's one of the biggest reasons that they lose, and probably that's one of the biggest reasons that most of the people suffer, because they've lost all the hopes and they've lost the will to keep going. And trust me, we've been losing that touch of optimism in our lives, that touch of positivity that should be inculcated in our everyday, so that you don't lose track of the things that you have to do in your life, like following your dreams, like if you're suffering from something, if you're suffering to find a job, if you're suffering anyhow, what will keep you going is the fact that you don't lose hope, you don't quit trying. And okay, I stopped my car because I thought the topic was getting really serious. And okay, so yes, what kept me going all through these months of lockdown, when I was suffering, when I couldn't find a job, when I couldn't support my family as much as I wanted to, was the fact that I was super positive in me, was the fact that I trusted in myself. And somehow all that trust, all that positivity gave me good results. If I would have given up finding a new job, that I can find a new job or whatever, I would have still be at home. And with the age that I have, I am not supposed to be someone who's staying at home with their parents and living off their money. I should be the person who are supporting them, who are responsible enough to support their parents in everything. You understand that? If you do, I know, because that's one of the greatest taunts every parent gives them. And somehow they're talking about the right things, and somehow they're talking about the things that really matter. So what I learned from all this is the fact that we should not give up, and that is quite the motive of this video. Quite the fact that I wanted to discuss in this video is, do not give up. Just like I found my job, just like I kept on going. Finding a job might sound really an easy task to make a video on this, but trust me, it has been very difficult given the circumstances, given the situations of the world. It has been really very difficult to find one. And what kept me going is the fact that I really trusted myself, and that's what I want you to do every day. Just not give up on yourself, because you have no fucking idea which of your effort might bring you good results. And yeah, keep that in mind, and that's probably the thought of the day and everything. And okay, with that said, also this might be the last video of this year, and I really hope that this year, okay, I'm sorry, I was gonna say that it went well, but I know, you know, but if you think about it, give it a thought, we cannot just put the blame on the year. There were people who lost hope, and there were people who committed suicide because they couldn't handle the pressure of whatever's going on in the world right now, and that's really very sad. I really wish they didn't lose hope. I really wish they didn't give up on their lives. And so yeah, you know, do not give up, and let that optimism stay in you for the rest of your life, for whatever time may come. Just be positive. And you know, the next year, we don't know what next year brings to us. All I want from you is to start every day of your next year with a smile on your face, with something positive in your mind. Just motivate yourself, and trust me, you might even achieve what you've been dreaming of this year. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, tata, take care, bye bye.